E la fai atu I le tātou telefoni. Le la fai atu telefoni ona le mai le tātou audio le tātou laptop. So I'll do it from my phone, and we'll go on from there. Sorry, lava se mea. Hi everybody. Is there still no sound? Yeah, okay. Right. Okay. So, if you look at the ato, ole ato, ole au, ole ato, ole ata, ole ato. So you have ato, the handle of the ato, the shadow of the ato, and if you look closely, there is also a cover. So wufi, ole tapuni, ole ato, so that would be the cover, UFI, UFI, wufi, cover of the ato, cover, ole ufi, ole ato, cover of the ato, handle, au, au, ole ato, shadow, ata, ole ato. Okay? Elefante, na pena fai atu, na misi ai uane le lale elefante ai oso I le I. So, lela wa wo ilumo wa ule ata. Lela luatu tatou, so if you can, vaai ile ata le na I ate oe. Ma le na vatu I tatou hangofo. Le tatou page. So next we have elefante. Ole isu, ale elefante. ISU. Isu, ole elefante. Okay? Then you have mata. Mo a ti a. Mata. Isu, I sa u. ISU. Isu. Okay? Ole elefante. Okay? Mata. MATA, ole elefante. Talinga, TALIGA, tia la I nga a, ole elefante. Next we have hipu. Hipu. Hipu, IPU. IPU, EPU, hipu, EPU, hipu. Hipu also has a au. Also has a au. So, au ole hipu. AU ole hipu. OLEIPU. And so, one thing that you need to know about taipu, in Samoan culture, when you serve someone, you never hold le au o le ipu, the handle, or the lip, or the lip of the ipu. Don't hold that and serve it that way. You hold the bottom, or you have a saucer and you put it underneath and you serve it to whoever needs the drink. Don't touch the handle. Awale tango ile au. Don't touch the lip. Awale tango ile ngutu. Okay? Ngutu oleipu, lip of the cup. Okay? Next we have ofu. Ofu. You have ofu, but you have a dress. So ofu can be a dress. Ofu can be, is a general term. Ofu is a general term for clothing. Because this mitiyafu. Mitiyafu. So ofu is a general term for clothing. Okay, general term for clothing. Ofu, OFU. Okay, ofu also a wingalasi, we'll also get to that. Ofu is also a bigger or a more because ofu a wrapping. A wrapping. I was going to say a bigger pausami, but a wrapping. Because ofu limu. And ofu luau, or ofu fit. Yeah. So those are, so ofu in this context is general term for clothing. Okay. Next you have oi. So on the ofu there, you have dots. So your mom might tell you, "Alo mai lo ofu ma tongi tongi." Dotted. Ma tongi tongi is dotted. So that is a ofu ma tongi tongi, or a dotted dress. And it has two pockets. Eluo natanga. Because sometimes my great grandma used to have an ofu with a one pocket. Alo mai lo ofu la tashitanga. Aulato mai le luotanga. Yeah, and then alula ya luota or toto. Next is you. U wati. U a t e wati. U a t e wati. U a t i. U a t i wati. Now, if you look at the picture of the wati, what will you see? Vai ole wati, or the clock's legs. Vai ole wati, or the minute and the hour leg. Vai itu la, it's the hour leg, and vai minute, minute leg. Minute is spelled minute. That's easy way to spell it. Vai, V-A-E. Vai minute, vai secone. Okay, secone, S-E-K-O-N-E. Secone. Sa-e, ka-o-nu-e. Secone. Next we have fanu. F. Fa, fanu. Afapela olai fa fanu. What do you see on the fanu? Eyaile ngutu. It has a lip, just like le puti. And then it also has a ata, or a picture on it. Ata, A-T-A. So fanu is F-A-N-U. F-A-N-U, fanu. Fa-a-nu-u. Fa-a-nu-u, fanu. Next is G. Ngata. Ngata. Nga-a-ti-a. Nga-a-ti-a. Ngata. G-A-T-A. G-A-T-A. Ngata. Okay, then you have the ngata stang. Lau, lau, faiva. La-a-u. La-a-u. Fa-a-i-vi-a. La-a-u. La-a-u. Fa-a-i-vi-a. L-A-U. L-A-U. F-A-I-V-A. Okay? Okay, lau lau faiva, the tongue of the snake. Okay? Next you have la, or L, longo. La, longo. La, o, nga, o. La, o, nga, o. L-O-G-O. L-O-G-O, longo. Yeah, that's the bell. Okay, and my favorite dessert, mo. The next picture, M, chicken. Mo. M-O-A. M-O-A. Moa. Mo-o-a. Mo-o-a. Moa. Okay, then you also have parts of the chicken. Vai ole moa. Feet of the chicken. Olona koke. Lona koke. What is the koke? His thing over here. Ngao iloa. Nga foila fa winga se mai eleisi. Okay, then you have nu nofoa. Nu nofoa. N-O-F-O-A. N-O-F o a. Nu o fa o a. Nu o fa o a nofoa. The nofoa e fia vai ole nofoa. E fa. Fa vai ole nofoa. The chair has 4 legs. The chair has 4 legs. E fa vai ole nofoa. Le ole pusi. P pusi. P-U-S-I. P-U-S-I. Pusi. P-U-sa-I. P-U-sa-I. Pusi. Then you have talinga ole pusi, like talinga ole elefante. You have mata ole pusi, like mata ole elefante. You have isu ole pusi, like you have isu ole elefante. But now, to me, I can see ngutu ole pusi. Ngutu ole pusi, and also vai ole pusi. Okay, next. Sa solofanua. Sa solofanua. Sa o la o. Fa a nu u a. Sa o la o. Fa a nu u a. S-O-L-O. F-A-N-U-A. S-O-L-O. F-A-N-U-A. Solo fanua. Solo fanua. Okay, you have siu ole solo fanua. Siu S-I-U. S-I-U. Sa-I-U. Sa-I-U. Siu. Mantua. Remember, listen. Siu. You hear the glottal stop? Do you hear the glottal stop? Remember to put the glottal stop where it belongs. Where do you think it belongs? C-U. Okay, the glottal stop, you put it before the U, and you put it before the other U. So when you spell it, it is sa-i komaliliu u, sa-i komaliliu u. S-I glottal stop U. S-I glottal stop U. Remember, it's not an apostrophe. Apostrophe is for the English language. Glottal stop is for Numera Samoa. Then you also have, mata ole solfanua. That solfanua there is eating. He's eating the grass. So, ona e ai. What is he doing? Ai. He's eating. A-I. I. Okay. Ti ta'a vale. Ti ta'a vale. Ti a komaliliu a vi a la e. Ti a komaliliu a vi a la e. T a glottal stop a v a l e. T a glottal stop a v a l e. Ta'a vale. The car you see in the front. What do you have in the front? Oleafi, ole ta'avale. The engine of the car. Mantua afi is not only engine, it is also wingalasi, right? Because we also have fire. So A-F-I, ole ta'avale. Okay, afi, ole ta'avale. Then you have moli. Now moli. Now if there wasn't a famamafa, then it would be moli, right? But then if famamafa your O and famamafa your I, for M famamafa O, L famamafa E, moli, which is the light of the car. Okay, you also have what? The pa'u ole ta'avale, the tires for the car. Pa'u ole ta'avale. P-A apostrophe. What to fire? You teach yourself. What to fire? P-A komaliliu u. Lewa matan si say. P-A komaliliu u. P-A komaliliu u. P-A glottal stop U. P-A glottal stop U. Pa'u ole ta'avale. Next, we have V, Va'a. V, Va'a. V, A, Komaliliu, A. V, A, Komaliliu, A. Va'a. V, A, glottal stop, A. V, A, glottal stop, A. Va'a. Now you have the picture of the va'a there. That looks like not a ordinary va'a. Va'a is the general term for boat, but that looks like a meli or a cruise ship. So that's not necessarily a va'a. It's like more like a cruise ship, meli. Mo e la I meli, but that is a va'a. Underneath va'a we have the K, but let's move over to the H. H or H, herota. H was derived from the the other languages that the colonizers used, because we didn't have H or in our language, or Herod was the closest thing that we needed an H for. So herota is Herod, and it's Herota. 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 He e ro a ti a. He e ro a ti a. Herota. Okay, and then you also have the characteristics of the face. Mata, isu, ngutu, folinga, Herod. Laulu, hair. Laulu, hair. Ulu, head. Laumata. We'll get to all these things in a later course. Mankolefa yaku. This is to see if you like the way I can teach. This is just an example. Yeah. And then you have ka kirikiti. Ka kirikiti. Ka I ro I ti. Kiri ki ole pelo ua. Ka I ro I ka I ti. Ka I ro I ka I ti. K I R I K I T I. K I R I K I T I. Kiri kiti. And then we have the last one, ro ra piti. Ro ra piti. RAPITI. RAPITI. Roa PETE. Roa PETE. Okay. Then let's go over our letters again. A, E, I, O, U, Fa, Nga, La, Mo, Nu, Pi, Sa, Ti, Vi, He, Ka, Ro. Okay. Tato Numera. Tasi. T-A-sa-I tasi. T-A-sa-I tasi. T-A-S-I-1. T-A-S-I tasi. Lua. La-u-a lua. La-u-a lua. L-U-A lua. L-U-A lua. Tolu. T-O-la-u tolu. T-O-la-u tolu. T-O-L-U tolu. T-O-L-U tolu. Fa. Fa-a-fa. Fa-a-fa. F-A-fa. F-A-fa. Lima. La-I-mo-a. La-I-mo-a. Lima. L-I-M-A. L-I-M-A. Lima. Ono. O-N-O. Ono. O-N-O, ono. O-nu, o, ono. O-nu, o, ono. Fitu. Fa-iti-u, fitu. Fa-iti-u, fitu. F-I-T-U, fitu. F-I-T-U, fitu. Valu. V-A-L-U, valu. V-A-L-U, valu. Vi-a-la-u, valu. Vi-a-la-u, valu. Iva. I-V-A, iva. I-V-A, iva. I-V-A, iva. I-V-A, iva. Sefulu. Sa-e-fa-u-la-u. Sa-e-fa-u-la-u. Sefulu. S-E-F-U-L-U. S-E-F-U-L-U. Sefulu. Yeah, that is our introduction. That's how I teach, and I like to break things down, and I like to I'm a visual learner as well at times, and so if you liked what you watched, or if it's helpful for your children, like I said, this is just how I would teach a class, and if you'd like to learn more, let me know. Have tight.